Kia ora. We've probably all worked with learners who can read the words, but have trouble making sense of what they're reading, understanding what they're reading. Reading comprehension is a critical part of reading. The good news is we can teach reading comprehension. When we teach reading comprehension, we transfer our learners from being passive readers to active readers, and we're giving them skills for lifelong learning. In this Essentials Reading Comprehension course, we are going to look at why reading comprehension is such a critical skill. We're going to look at 5 basic comprehension strategies that can be taught, and then we're going to look at how to teach them to our learners. The course starts with a workshop where we cover the content I've just discussed. It's followed by a 4-week free online learning module. We'll be looking at putting this into practice, and we'll be discussing it with other educators and looking at what works, what doesn't work, getting feedback on what we're doing, helping us transfer this knowledge into our practice. Of course, you'll receive digital badges for attendance. So if you're an educator that would like to support your readers with reading comprehension, this is the course for you.